West Bengal, in association with joint venture partners. New Town promises a combination of world-class housing with state-of-the-art infrastructure facilities, catering to all your needs.
Since the mid-90s, I've been seeing the development of New Town. I've seen the planning that has gone into it. It's so near the airport, so near the city. We all felt very encouraged by the kind of detailed effort that was being put in to develop this into a great township for Calcutta.
10 kilometers from the commercial heart of Kolkata and just a kilometer away from Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport. Commuting to New Town is easy with special buses plying under WB HIDCO. The proposed metro rail will further augment connectivity to New Town.
New Town offers an opportunity to a large population to provide a holistic living where there can be total new experience of not staying within a small area close to the airport yet close to the city.
A kind of an economic hub where everything what a person needs to stay and work is readily available at an affordable price built on absolute international standards.
Widest arterial road in eastern India. Housing for everyone. State-of-the-art business hub. Civic convention centers. Highest tennis court in the country. Multiplexes. Malls. Shopping arenas. Food plazas. 5-star hotels. Other forthcoming attractions of New Town are exhibition and trade fair grounds, cultural centers, theme villages, WBSEDCL and WB HIDCO have joined hands to form New Town Electric Supply Company to provide uninterrupted electric supply to the township. Gas pipelines are available in every home.
We have planned to supply treated water to every premises, and this water is being taken from Ganges.
There is well-planned piped infrastructure in place to supply water round the clock.
We have a planned township in New Town with a planned waste management system with a fully technological support.
New Town has the most integrated waste management system, which includes automated waste collection through chute system, waste treatment through plasma technology, resulting in zero waste disposal.
এই টাউনশিপটা ইকো ফ্রেন্ডলি এনভায়রনমেন্ট ফ্রি টাউনশিপ পলিউশন হ্যাজার্ডস আরবান হ্যাজার্ডস যত কম হয় সেই সমস্ত মেজার আমাদের নেওয়া হয়েছে
Under the Satellite Township program of JNNURM, New Town has been selected as the first energy-saving green satellite city. It has a non-hazardous industrial belt, zones separated by green regions, natural surroundings with abundance of water bodies. Rabi Rashmi Solar Residential Complex in Newtown is one of the milestones in green living, using solar power for its energy requirements.
Citizens of Newtown will be blessed with modern infrastructure and Mother Nature.
Newtown assures the best in cyber connectivity. Newtown Telecom Infrastructure Development Company Limited is specially formed to provide unlimited bandwidth to cater to all the present and future needs of the residents. Fiber to home concept is being implemented.
তিনটে অ্যাকশন এরিয়ায় আমরা এখানে ল্যান্ড প্লটস অ্যালট করেছি, ইন্ডিভিজুয়ালসদের প্লট অ্যালট করেছি, কোঅপারেটিভসদের প্লট অ্যালট করেছি। ফ্রম অল ওয়ার্কস অফ লাইফ আমরা চেষ্টা করেছি তাদেরকে আমরা কেটার করতে।
Newtown has planned development of 2 lakh housing units to cater to the estimated population of 1 million residents.
We are developing the largest mass housing project in the country today with the partnership of HIDCO, a mass housing project to cater only to the lower and the middle income group of the people.
Families are moving to Newtown to make it their home for generations to come.
As a master planned city, Newtown will be able to cater to the needs of the inhabitants who will be residing there.
Newtown promises the best support infrastructure in healthcare and education. Super specialty hospitals like Chittaranjan Cancer Research Center, Tata Medical Center, education institutions namely DPS, ABC Euro School, Techno India College of Technology. IIT Kharagpur has acquired land for its new campus.
Newtown will set benchmark for upcoming towns.
Newtown houses, banks, ATMs, post offices, retail markets in close proximity to ensure hassle-free living. Dedicated police stations have been set up to ensure the safety and security of the township.
It's a very planned way, planned developed mega city is coming up with the full infrastructure and very good vision. I hope it will be the best mega city of the state.
Major corporate houses like Capgemini, Philips, Wipro, IBM and Tata Group have all set up their offices in Newtown.
As of now, around 8,000 IT professionals are working from our ITSZ. By the time the entire development is ready, we would have approximately 45,000 IT professionals working from the complex, and it would also generate about 150,000 indirect jobs.
And to make all of these possible, joint venture partners are working hand in hand with WB HIDCO. Being a proud member of the Newtown family is easy with quick loan disbursal by major financial institutions. So go ahead, take the plunge. This is one investment you will never regret.
Newtown will very soon emerge as one of the best planned townships in the country.
In one word, New Town is a dream come true.
New Town, promoted by WB Hidco in association with its joint venture partners, is the futuristic model for all satellite cities. Come and be a part of this dream.